Hi and welcome to the KG Somaiya Institute of Management, a constituent institute of Somaiya Vidyavihar University. I am Dr. Chandan Singhvi, faculty with Data Science and Technology Department and the chairperson admissions. KG SIM is the 19th B school in India to earn the coveted AACSB accreditation and is consistently ranked amongst top 25 B schools in India.
The purpose of this video is to serve as a guide and explainer for all students looking to take an admission at KG SIM's MBA programs. By the end of this video, we hope you have a better understanding of all programs on offer, their selection criteria, career opportunities, scholarships and financial aid facilities, and the overall application process. Let us begin with the programs on offer and their selection parameters here at KG SIM. We have two niche programs on offer along with our MBA, an MBA in Sports Management and an MBA in Healthcare Management.
My name is Meena Barot and I am a professor in KG SIM's MBA Sports Management program. The goal for this course is to allow athletes and sports enthusiasts to make their passion into their profession. This program is designed not just for students with a sporting background, but also for anyone with a keen interest in the management and business organization of the sporting industry. We have a very unique 3-act structure: learn, act and strike, which prepares students to be very effective managers in the sporting industry.
The selection parameters of an aspirant for MBA Sports Management includes the entrance exam score, which constitutes around 30% of their overall weightage. Their statement of purpose and background in sports as either an athlete at district, state, national and international level, or work experience in sports-related industries is another 30%. The weightage also considers a personal interview, which constitutes 40% of their overall application. Aspirants are evaluated on how well they demonstrate their passion for sports, their knowledge of the sports industry, energy levels, and reason for wanting to be a part of the multi-billion-dollar sports industry. The placement opportunity for MBA Sports Management students is in the sports and sports-allied areas like sports nutrition, health and fitness, sports analytics, sporting brands like Decathlon, sports media, etc. Our students are working on internships at Disney Plus Hotstar, have volunteered in the 141st International Olympic Committee session, the Indian Premier League, AFC Women's Asian Cup, to name a few.
Coming to the MBA Healthcare Management, this program aims to prepare students for careers in healthcare sector, be it consultancies, hospitals, pharma industry, health insurance and medtech. Students gain exposure to theoretical and practical knowledge through master classes by domain experts, interaction with healthcare incubators, undertaking capstone projects and going for international immersion programs. I would like to highlight the selection parameters specific to the healthcare management program. Along with the parameters put up on the screen, we are giving importance to academic profile, which comprises of past academic performance with a weightage of 15% and an additional 5% for graduation or post-graduation in healthcare allied courses, in sciences, pharma, physio, BDS, biomedical and similar courses. We also assess an aspirant's motivation to pursue the MBA in healthcare through a SOP with a 10% weightage.
The Master of Business Administration is the flagship program of the KG Somaiya Institute of Management with 600 seats. Our program encompasses the most relevant and current courses in line with industry requirements. We incorporate holistic learning through classroom teaching, case studies, business simulations, and live projects to prepare students for the corporate world. Students also have an opportunity to study in partner universities for a semester abroad through the International Student Exchange Program. The early entry in the country's academic landscape has resulted in a powerful alumni base occupying leadership positions in various organizations. Students receive job offers from several sectors, including BFSI, consulting, IT, enterprise sales, digital marketing, and research.
In the MBA program, the first-year courses span across all the functional areas of management. In the second year, we offer dual specialization in the form of major and minor specialization options, giving students a chance to gain deep insights into the specific functional areas of their choice. we offer majors in areas such as marketing, finance, human resources, data science and analytics, operations management, and we offer various minors in areas such as business analytics, data science, financial services, marketing, strategy and consulting, people development, operations management, and business economics. Any aspirant for an MBA is selected on their qualifying exam score, their personal interview and group discussion, their academic profile, a written ability test, and their work experience.
Let us now get into the actual process for applying to KJ Somaiya Institute of Management. The first step for any aspirant is to give any one of the following entrance exams: the CAT, XAT, NMAT, GMAT or CMAT. Step 2 involves filling out the application form on KJSIM's website before the deadline. Now, let me clarify here, even though you may have selected KJSIM as a preferred institute during the process for any of the entrance exams, an aspirant still needs to fill in the application form for KJSIM on our website to be considered for further process in any of our programs.
After the last date of application form on the website, we will begin with the shortlisting of aspirants for personal interview and group discussions. The cutoffs will be declared on various digital platforms. MBA Healthcare Management and MBA Sports Management are the profile-based programs, and the cutoffs of MBA are not applicable to these two programs. If you have a profile suitable to these programs and have a decent entrance exam scores, then there are chances that you will get shortlisted. I would like to note that for any aspirant applying for an MBA Sports Management or MBA Healthcare Management, upon shortlisting, they need to submit an SOP. This would conclude step 3 and bring us to step 4, which is the actual GDs and PIs. During this step, the aspirant will also have to undertake a written ability test. This process will be conducted in different cities all over India. Based on the selection parameters and the overall scores are calculated, and the selected candidates will be extended an offer letter. The dates for this process will vary according to each academic year, but for 2024, the dates are as shown on the screen right now. We request all the aspirants to be watchful and follow these dates strictly for a smooth and easy applications.
A couple of things I'd like to highlight would be scholarships and financial aid initiatives. KJSIM offers 5 merit-based scholarships, 100% tuition fee waiver. In addition to that, KJSIM also offers financial aid to students who come from an economically challenged position in the range of 10 to 80% tuition fee waiver. The details for the same are available on the website.
I would advise any applicant filling the admissions form to complete it well in advance before the deadline to avoid any last minute stress, anxiety or technical glitches. Now let us hear from our director what kind of students do we want in our classroom at our institute.
So the kind of students that we want here in our institute and the campus, obviously the intellectual capability, the cognitive intelligence, this is a table stake and it is given. But beyond that, we are really looking for people and students who, after their transformative journey here in the campus, are looking to make an impact out there in the society and in the enterprise, who are passionate about making a difference in the lives of others, who are very curious, because curiosity is the basis for development and is the basis for innovation. So we want students who will come here and not take things for granted and challenge and really push our faculty and others to jointly learn. So we are really looking for people with grounded people with tremendous commitment to values and who see the 2 years they're going to spend here as the crucible where their transformation into business leaders who will make a better world tomorrow happens.
I hope this video has provided clarity and a good understanding of the programs on offer, the application process, merit-based scholarship and financial aid initiatives. For any further queries, please do visit our website. Thank you for tuning in and we look forward to seeing you at KJ Somaiya Institute of Management.